Welcome back to Internet Avail, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can get to create a Facebook page in just few steps. First thing first, you'll need of course to have a Facebook app installed into your phone. And before you get into that, if you do like my videos or you find them educative too, just go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss each and every new video I upload every time and I get to share a new solution. So let's proceed with our video. First thing first, you'll need to open your Facebook app, and then from here you need to come to this menu section, and you can see there's this page tab which is right here. Since we want to create a new page, we just click page, and then from here you can see so far these are the pages that I have with InkFX. Since I do forex trading, and since we want to create a new page, we just click that create tab. So from here you can see a page is a space where people can publicly connect with your business, personal brand or organization, and you need to get started so that you get to set up everything. So I'll just click get started. Of course, we'll need to provide a new name. For instance, let me just create a page for Internet Avail. Get to create a page for Internet Avail. So from here you'll need to choose category. For instance, for this one is for tech. Let me just choose technology, information technology, community, and then from there you need to proceed. This is the category best. This is the category, and you can see best describes Internet Avail. You get to click create. So you'll just wait for it to load to the next page. And of course, it's just going to take a few seconds. You have created your page. What best describes your goal? So for this case, it's for content creation, connect with fans, promotion, promote your products or services. For this case, I can say best. We can do best create, and then you'll need, of course, to click continue. So from here, you'll need to provide, of course, an image, a cover photo for the page itself. But you can get to do that later, so we'll just proceed to next. So you can see build your page audience, and you can get to invite all your friends. You can just go ahead to get to invite all, you select all of them 1,000, you get to invite them right away, and of course click next. So keep doing that till the point whereby you'll have the page all set up. So from here you can see add your favorite to so you'll just proceed to next. Stay informed about the page. Of course, turn on the notification, marketing and promotional emails about your page. So let's just switch that on. Then let's proceed to the next. And as you can see, of course, it's switching profile, and of course, it's just loading or driving me to the page that we have already created. So that's how easy it is to create a Facebook page in just these simple steps that I've shown you. So far you can see this is my page right here, and you can see welcome to your new page, and you are now switched you are now switched out of your profile and into your page Internet Avail. This means you'll have more confidence that you're sharing, linking, as well as liking and commenting as a page. So you can click start the tour, and of course we are all good. So this is the page you have already created, and this is how you get to create the Facebook page in just few steps. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Of course, I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next one.